originally done by Dave Kindig, the TV show Bitchin Rides, but he did it like 12, 13 years ago, so it needed to get, and I just brought it into the 20th century. Actually, the dash is still signed by him. The car was tuxedo black, and when I decided to restore it, I got rid of the black because it's just too hard to take care of. Interior is original, but it's all new. And I did a few twists, like all the plastic quarter panels and everything, they're all wrapped in foam. Everything's material. I did it in a two-tone. Headliner and the sail panels and all that is all black carbon fiber. Got rid of the white. The door insert panels and the dash are usually wood grain. I did that the same carbon fiber as the headliner.